This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Ed Bonslav. Gleaming one owner all brick ranch with a sparkling salt pool, sited on pristine protected forest with a fully fenced flat lot covered with a lush dark lawn. Open flowing floor plan with soaring ceilings, gleaming wood floors, and first floor master suite that looks over the pool and private yard. Complete home theater room over the garage, with 4 theater seats, 92 retractable screen, installed surround sound system. You even get the popcorn maker. Pool is a 40x20 with salt cell, new filter, and lots of color coordinated cool touch decking. Whole house generator, well and sprinkler system, and geothermal HVAC. Meticulously maintained by original military officer owner. Squeaky clean and ready to show right now. Call Ed right now for your appointment. If you've ever